Guitar companies need to have more options with scale lengths in their guitars because now it's like everything is 25 and a half. And you can't even find kids' guitars anymore online or when you go to a guitar shop, it's like everything's the same, 25 and a half. And then the guitar companies and the guitar stores wondering why there's so few sales, because once you have that scale length, you don't really have a reason to buy another guitar, and if you have all the guitars have two pickups, some people want one pickup on the bridge, some people want a kill switch, some people, um, they just want options that they can choose from. And if you make all the guitars the same, there's not going to be a reason to buy another guitar unless you want a different color, and to spend like thousands of dollars just to get another color is kind of a deal breaker. If you had different options where we can have different colors and different configurations, then we would have a reason to buy the guitar, because I mean, the 25 and a half inch scale length is okay, but it's more fun to play shorter scale lengths like 23 and a half or 24 and three quarters, even. Even the three quarters of an inch can make a vast difference in how fun it is to play a guitar. I mean, if you make two identical guitars, one with 25 and a half and another one with 24 and three quarters, I guarantee you're going to want to play the 24 and three quarters more because there's something about it that's more sporty and more fun to play. And like Ted Nugent with his Birdland is 23 and a half inches. And he loves that guitar so much. And that's why, because it's so fun to play when you have a smaller scale. Like people have a blast to play kids' guitars because they're 22 and a half. And you might think, again, 22 and a half versus 25 and a half is only 3 inches. It's not going to make a difference, but it really does. In fact, people ask for kids' guitars. I see them all the time when they go to the guitar center and they wonder where they're at. They just don't have them anymore. There's nothing to choose from other than 25 and a half Fenders everywhere. Everywhere you look, it's all 25 and a half. If they would make 24 and three quarters once in a while, or 23 and a half once in a while, or even 22 and a half on adult size guitar, if they would just make some shredders where people could be all over the neck at ease rather than just focus on baritone type guitars, then people would have a reason to say, well, I want this one for a baritone and I want this one as just a shredder, have fun playing, and stuff like that. And if you have smaller scales, you will sell more guitars, I guarantee you.